What are you going to do with that bowl Aunt Chelsea gave you? Oh.
Bless you. Bless you.
That's what I was looking for.
Good. She shot it on my... Thanks, Carl.
Here, you want the inside of it.
Look at, she's like...